how to add marquee effect on Shopify. So you want to open up your store here from the left hand side, and then you want to scroll down until you see the three dots. Click on the three dots and then select edit code. From here, what you want to do is go into blocks, or no, sections, sorry. Go into sections, add new section, leave this as liquid, and type marquee, just like that. Click on done. This is going to generate a new section, sorry, and you want to delete all of the code here. So just highlight it, press the backspace, and you want to copy this code. I'll leave it as a pinned comment. So here you want to copy the entire code, just like that, the very end, right click, copy. Now go back into your store, right click, paste, and just make sure everything is correct. Click on save. After you have clicked on save, we can close this. Now what we're gonna do is go into layout, theme.liquid, and here we wanna press Ctrl+F. Oh, sorry. Here you just wanna click anywhere and press Ctrl+F, and we will search for body. You wanna find your body and just go to the end of this line of code. Click on it, press enter, and here what we're gonna do is go back to the document that I just showed you and copy this. Right click, copy, go back into your Shopify store, right click, paste, and then click on save. Now if you view your store, like I said, if you view your store here, you should have the marquee text, and you can paste a link, collections, and also you can add some custom text to it. If you click on add text, as you can see, welcome to store, and you can edit this. For example, hi, that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.